dark January night in the sky, even the stars seemed seemed to be
Seemed.
seemed to be several,
Shivering.
shivering at the edge of
At the edge.
at the edge of his field, underneath a shelter of can leaves halku lay on the bamboo
On
couch,
a, not the. On a.
on a bamboo coat
Wrapped. W silent to the wrapped.
wrapped up his old
Bulb.
bulb slow
Bulb.
slow
Sol.
sol burlap sol
Bulb.
burlap sol
Bulb.
bulb sol sol
Shivering.
underneath the coat, his friend Jabra, the dog, was whimpering with his muzzle pressed into his belly. Neither of them was able to sleep.
Able to sleep.
Able to sleep. Halku curled up, drawing his knees close against his chin, and said, "Cold Jabra, did not I tell you in the house you could lie in the paddy straw? So why did you come out here? Now you will have to bear the cold. There's nothing I can do. You thought I was coming out here to eat puris and sweets, and you come running out. You came running on ahead of me. No, you can. Now you can moan all you want." Jabra
wagged his tail. Wagged में हिलाना.
Jabra wagged his tail without getting up, protecting his whimpering into a long yam, and was silent. Perhaps in his canon.
तुम रीडिंग लगाना बहुत जरूरी है. Canon wisdom.
Wisdom, he guessed that his whispering was keeping his master awake. Halku raised out his hand and patted Jabra's cloth back.
Patted Jabra's
Called back. From tomorrow on, stop coming with him, or the cloth will get you. This beach of a west wind comes from nobody knows where, bringing the icy cold with it. Let me get up and fill my pee. I have pipe. I have smoked night pipe full.
I have smoked eight
pipefuls already, but you will get thoughts the night somehow. This is the reward you get from farming.
You get for
farming. Some
lucky fellows are lying.
in houses where
if the cold comes,
after then the heat just drives it away. A good thick quilt, warm covers, a blanket, just let the winter cold try to get them.
Let नहीं पड़ते, just let the
winter cold try to get them. For
fortunes arranged.
Fortune arranged everything very well. While we do the hard work, somebody else gets the joy of it. He got up, took some embers from the peat and
Peat.
filled
his pipe.
filled his pipe.
Filled
Jabra-
his pipe.
Filled it.
Frilled है
Filled.
फ्रिल्ड आर है वो शायद फ्रिल्ड
नहीं ये
फ्रिल्ड
filled
फ्रिल्ड
his pipe. Jabra got up too. Smoking Halku said, if you smoke the coals just as bad, but at least you feel a little bitter. Jabra smoked
लिटिल बेटर तुम पर
little better.
लिटिल हाँ बेटर
Little better. Jabra looked at him with eyes overflowing with love. Overflowing with love. You have to put up with just one more
वहाँ
cold
फिल्ड
night.
है फिल्ड था फ्रिल्ड नहीं है ना वहाँ जब पढ़े थे ना फिल्ड तभी थे ओवरफ्लोइंग विथ लव ओके
Night. Tomorrow I will sprint some straw. When you bed down in that you would not.
यू वांट बी
You won't feel the cold. Jabra put his paws on Halku's knees and brought his muzzle close. Halku felt his warm breath. After he finished smoking, Halku lay down and make up his mind that however things where he would sleep now. But in only 1 minute, his heart began to pound. He turned from side to side, but like some kind of which the cold weather continued to torment him. When he could no longer
काउड कहाँ है
could not longer bear it, he gently picked Jabra up and patting his head, got him to fall asleep in his lap. The dog's body gave up some kind of stink, but Halku, hugging him tight,
experienced
experienced a happiness he had not felt from months.
felt for months. Jabra probably
thought he was in heaven, and in Halku's innocent heart there was no resentment of his smell. He embraced him with the very same affection he would have felt for a brother of a friend.
brother
Brother or a friend. He was not crippled by the poverty which had reduced him to these
straits
at present.
present
Rather it was as thought his singular
हेज नहीं दिस को हिज पढ़ देते हो तुम थॉट दिस सिंगिंग
singular friendship had opened all the doors to his heart and better brilliantly illuminated every atom of it.
Suddenly
Jabra picked up the noise of some animal. The special
that's नहीं this special
this special intimacy had produced a new alertness in him that disdained the onslaught of the wind, springing Springing.
Springing up,
he ran out the shelter and
ran out of the
shelter and began to bark. Halku whistled and called him several times, but Jabra would not come back to him. He went on barking while he ran around through the
furrows.
furrows. Furrows of the field.
He would come
back for a moment, then dash off again at once. That at once. The sense of duty. The sense of duty had taken possessive of him. Possession of him as thought it were desire.